Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a Sheroes account. Creating a Sheroes account is easier as compared to before. First of all, tap open your Sheroes app. Then you'll be in a page interface something like this. You can see continue with Facebook and continue with Google in your screen. And for existing users, you can see login with email in the bottom of your screen. So let's go with an easier process and continue with Google. Tap on it. After this, Sheroes will try to make sure you want to sync your Google and Sheroes account. Tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you will be redirected to this page automatically and you have to tap an email address you want to select. After selecting your email, you'll be redirected to this page and you have to select your gender, either male or female, and after selecting, you have to tap on continue. At this moment, we're almost done and we have to select our birth date. After selecting our birth date, tap on continue and you will be successfully logged into your Sheroes account. So this was it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.